Everybody, Mr. Short here, Eureka Math Squared, Module 2. I'm sorry, second grade, Module 3. I messed up. Module 3, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 8. Hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for me. Help me out. Help me out. All right, let's get right to it. This is page 55. There's nothing on the back, just 55 in it. Let's knock this one out. Okay, let's knock this out real quick. Circle the shapes with 3 equal parts. So find all of them with 3 parts, but it says equal. Equal means they're the same size. So 2 shapes, 2 parts. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Nope. 1, 2, 3 parts. That could be it. 1, 2, 3 parts. That could be one. 1, 2, 3 parts. But it says that equal, the same size. So let's look. These triangles look like they're the same size. They do to me. We got 3 shapes here. Do they all look the same size? If this was a pizza, would you be happy if you got this piece right here instead of this piece? Probably not. So those are not equal. If we look over here, 1, 2, 3. Do they look like they have the same size, about the same? We're not asking you to measure. These look like they're good. So we're going to go ahead and circle those. Okay. Label each shape as halves, thirds, or fourths. Halves, thirds, or fourths. So think about it, right? Halves, 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 halves. Oh, halves is half. Which one of these is broken in half? Half would be 2 pieces. Thirds is like 3 would be 3 pieces. And fourths is 4 would be 4 pieces. So halves, thirds, and fourths. I think this one, I think I just gave you enough help to figure that out on your own. Which shape has 2 pieces, which is halves? Which shape has 3 pieces, which is thirds? And which shape has 4 pieces, which is fourths? Go ahead and write on the line, not the numbers. Use the words halves, thirds, and fourths. On the bottom, it says, what unit describes the parts of this triangle? Is this in halves? Is this triangle in thirds? Or is this triangle in quarters? Oh, they're trying to get tricky down here. Remember, halves is 2, thirds is 3, and quarters, they're trying to trick you. How many quarters are in $1? Do you know? How many quarters do you need to make $1? I always think about it that way. But I can give you a hint. You need 4 quarters to make $1. And on this one, you need 4 pieces to make a triangle. All right. Yeah, I gave you that answer. I did. Because sometimes you haven't seen quarters, because up here it asks you for fourths. So I wanted to help you out a little bit. All right. Nothing on the back. Page 55. 3 problems. Easy peasy. You get this one knocked out, and you move on to whatever fun thing you're doing at home. Mr. Short, Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 8. I hope that helped. I hope you have a good night.